You can now organize your projects on the dashboard into categories, which is especially useful when you have many projects. Click on the categories in the sidebar to switch between them. To create a new category, click New Category and enter a name. To move a project, simply drag and drop it into a category. You can also select multiple projects, click the Actions drop-down, and move them to a specific category. Another useful feature is the project preview. Click the preview icon on any project to quickly view its pages without fully opening it in the editor. Additionally, the limit of 100 projects on the dashboard has been removed. To quickly add existing Pinegrow projects to your dashboard, click the Start Screen Settings icon and select Scan for Projects. Select a folder, and Pinegrow will scan it and automatically add any found projects to the currently selected category.